That headboard and that bureau. Headboard's going to be there at that first window. The bureau is going to be there on the other side of the vent. This shit's going to be here. So yeah, I got a bunch of shit to fucking figure the fuck out. That's going to be the only bookshelf. Yeah, that corner is going to be shot glass display with the altar and shit. Semi-altar. Capped. Fucking window. That bureau top. Dresser top. I'm getting rid of that bureau. That's the one I'm gonna put over there. That shit. And those little tables